Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, good night guys. Today I want share to you all about crypto flips, insiders news, Coinbase insider trading, Ethereum roadmap, blockchain, downsizes, regulated lenders, and the other. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In a complaint filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, said the regulatory agency has accused Coinbase executive Ishan Wahi's brother Nick Hill Wahi and Summer Ramani of insider trading and wire fraud. The said, in conjunction with the Department of Justice, accused the trio of an insider trading scam in which they earned over $1 million in liquid gains. The judge said they froze at least 25 assets, after which there were hug price increases of the 25 assets. The judge alleges that 9 of those assets are securities, while he allegedly shared information about at least 14 coin listings at Coinbase Nasdaq. The Deutsche on Tuesday announced the arrest of Wahi. The 9 assets in question are EMP, Really Dirty, Royal Government Token, LHX, for Leaders, Finance, and Chromatica. Coinbase has signed a petition against the said regulation that the against provides clear rules for the trading of digital. U.S. Attorney General William says while this is the first ever insider trading case involving cryptocurrency markets, the system will treat fraud as fraud. Ethereum roadmap network is 55% completed after merge. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, speaking at the Ethereum Community Conference in Paris on Thursday, provided a fraud scam roadmap update for the Ethereum network. According to Buterin, the September mainnet version of Ethereum will see the network jump from completed. Buterin also provided an update to Ethereum's roadmap after the merge. The notice that the network will experience a power-phased upgrade, doubled search, for and splurge. When these updates are completed and the Ethereum network is at 100%, Buterin suggests that the Ethereum blockchain will be able to process 100,000 transactions per second. The merge, according to Buterin, is 90% completed and will improve the decentralization, efficiency, and security of the Ethereum network, confirming what is now the new standard set by the pandemic venture capital firm Anderson Horowitz has announced that going forward its headquarters will be in the cloud. Although it has been moved to the cloud because new operating model requires virtual work, it does not entirely ditch its physical office. Says it will use physical presence to develop culture, help entrepreneurs and build relationship with each other. And maybe I think it'll help. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.